so cute. Oh,
Ghostbusters? Ghosts. Stay puffed.
I like that. That's so cool. There he goes around. Aw. Old fashioned car. And the little diner. Oh, that's cute. It rotates around like that. That little double decker bus. Oh, that's like the little farmhouse thing over here. Look, they have a little cookout over here.
Oh, no, that's a fire department. They're trying to save, there's like a little fire.
See
They're
that?
They're
Yeah.
trying to save someone or whatever.
Right. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's a little. And if you look at the background, if you look at the way I got it right now, it looks like there's Rexy in the background. An old-fashioned movie theater. That's cool.